Hi, I'm Asan Saeed from AutoCAD Drafting Tips. Welcome back. Let's learn how to create a dynamic table block in AutoCAD. Let's get started. Select the objects. Block name, dining table dynamic block top 1. Control and Control C. Pick point. Make sure, open and block editor, and click OK. Select parameters, then base point. Click on the linear. Click on distance 1, properties, change distance name into depth. Dist, minimum 85 centimeters. Dist, maximum 130 centimeters. Right-click, grip display, 0. Select distance 2. Disk type, increment. Dist, increment 75. Dist, minimum 75 dist. Maximum 750 centimeters. Chain actions, yes. Select actions, click stretch parameter. Parameter point. Stretch frame. Select objects to stretch. Select parameter, parameter point. Stretch frame. Select objects to stretch. Select stretch 1. Change the distance multiplier 0.5. Click on stretch parameter. Select parameter point. Stretch frame. Select objects to stretch. Click on array. Select parameter objects to array. Distance 75 centimeters. Parameters linear. Right-click, grip display 1. Distance 1. Distance name, width. Dist type increment. Dist increment 75 dist minimum 150 dist. Maximum 750. Right-click on action selection, set new selection. Set new frame. Select objects to stretch. Select actions, click on stretch. Parameter. Parameter point, stretch frame, and select objects to stretch. BS for block save. Type BC for block close. Select front view objects. Type block. Control V. Change name, front. Click pick point. Make sure that open in block editor, click OK. Click on parameters and select base point. Click on linear. Right-click on the dist, grip display 0. Dist, increment 75 centimeters. Dist, minimum 75 centimeters. Dist, maximum 750 centimeters. Chain actions, yes. Select actions, move parameter. Parameter point. Select objects to move. Array parameter and select objects to array. Distance 75 centimeters. Click on Parameterism and select Linear. Right-click, Grip Display 1. Select Distance 2. Change distance name, width. Dist, type increment. Dist, increment 75 dist. Minimum 150 dist, maximum 750 centimeters. Select Actions. Click on Stretch Parameter. Select Parameter Point. Stretch Frame and select Object to stretch. Type Bs, Block Save. BC for Block Close. Select Objects to make block. Block. Ctrl-V to paste block name. Side. Pick point. Make sure, open and block editor, and click OK. Click Parameters and select Base Point. Click on Linear. Right-click. Grip Display 1 Distance 1. Change distance name into Depth. Dist, minimum 85 dist, maximum 130 centimeters. Click on Actions. Select Stretch Parameter. Parameter Point Stretch Frame. Select Objects to stretch. Stretch Parameter Point. Stretch Frame. Select Objects to stretch. Stretch 1. Distance multiplier 0.5. Save the block. Reset the block. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel and see you in the next tutorial.